Hey Claire, I thought it might be easier to show you than tell you, so that here we go. So one thing that I've been doing with him, let's say 2/3 plus 1/3. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this as a basic example. Since the beginning, I've been telling him that we have Nina numerator and Doug denominator. All right, and so I'll tell him Doug and Nina are brother and sister, and Doug is very lazy, so he loves to stay at home, eat potatoes on the couch, do nothing, and he doesn't want to go anywhere. He's not doing anything with his life, so we always say Doug is going to stay the same. Nina, his sister, however, she's a real like go-getter. She loves to do well in school, she loves to travel, she loves to push herself. So Doug stays the same, but Nina will change. So let's apply that up here. If we're adding, we're gonna see that brother and sister. If we're adding, we're gonna see that brother and sister, right? So 3 plus 3, well, we know this is Doug, the denominator, and Doug will always stay the same. So when you're working with him in class, I'd go, I want to remind you we're adding, so Doug will always, and then he'll respond with stay the same. And then we know Nina will change. So Nina was a 2, and then she was a 1. So we know Nina is going to change to a 3, whatever. So that's what I would do for adding. Then for mixed numbers, let's pretend I have 3 and 1/3. I tell him for mixed numbers, we do hey, ma. Hey, ma. And I like to help him remember that in the word mixed, we have the M in mixed and the M in ma. So if you forget which one we're doing, remember the M and the M. So I always kind of like take my hand like this and I'll go, all right, Yaziel, you're doing this. Hey, ma, and push up. And so ma stands for, this is the worst video of all time, multiply, add. Multiply, add, okay? So I make him do this. 3 times 3 is 9. And once he finds that, he has to do this. 9 plus 1 is 10. And Doug will always stay the same. So that's what we're doing for mixed numbers. And then multiplying is the easy one. So let's say I've got 1/2 times 1/2. I always just say we're gonna multiply when we're multiplying fractions, we're gonna multiply, and then he has to respond across, and then he has to do it like this. 2 times 2 equals 4, 1 times 1 equals 1. And he's pretty good about that. But again, I've been making him respond back to me in those ways. So there's that.